Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at the two phrases good faith and goodwill. Okay, let's see. Both of these are nouns. They could be adjectives as well. And I think to make them into adverbs are in good faith, to do something in good faith, and to do something with goodwill. Okay, these two are slightly different. Let's see. Good faith, the first meaning, uncountable, talks about friendly and helpful feelings. Peace on earth and goodwill to all men. Yeah? So friendly, helpful feelings. He did a lot of work for charity, which created a lot of goodwill among the community. Now, in good faith is different. Good faith talks about doing something in an honest and sincere way, even if it's the wrong thing to do. So, I gave him the information in good faith. I thought it was true. Unfortunately, it wasn't true. To negotiate in good faith, you are trying to get an agreement. Because if you do something in bad faith, you're trying to trick somebody. You're not being open and honest about something. Yeah, so if you do something in bad faith, you're trying to be difficult and problematic about it. Okay, so goodwill is a good feeling. Yeah, a good feeling towards people. Now, notice we also use this phrase goodwill in business, in accounting. Let's see, when you buy a business or a company, maybe you buy a building and you buy the equipment in it, but you're probably going to pay more than just the value of the things. And the difference between the actual value you pay for a business and the value of the assets, the things, the physical things that the business owns, is called goodwill. Yeah, and the goodwill is because the business has customers, it has good relationships with its employees, it has its own technology. Yeah, and this is the proportion of the price that you pay for the business that is higher than the value of all the assets. So you're buying more than just the building and the equipment, and that's the business idea of goodwill. Okay, so goodwill. A kindly feeling, yeah, benevolent interest. Politicians need to get the goodwill of people in order to get them to vote for them. Whereas if something is in good faith, it means you're being honest, you're being legal, you're trying to do the right thing. Yeah, you seriously believe what you're doing is right, honest, and legal, even if it's not, but that's what you believe. Yeah, so if you do something in good faith, you honestly think this is true. Yeah, when you enter into a contract with somebody, you do it in good faith that both of you are going to try to fulfill this contract. Yeah, so you are doing it honestly. Yeah. Okay, so good faith, trying to be honest, above board, and clear. Goodwill talks about a good feeling. Yeah, friendship, friendly, helpful feelings. Yeah. So yeah, the goodwill of my students makes me feel really good. But if I make a video and there's a mistake in it, the mistake was made in good faith. I didn't realize, I didn't know what I was doing. And then goodwill for a business it's the price, the extra price that you pay for all of the intangibles, like the customers that they already have, the systems that they already have set up. Yeah. Notice in the US they use goodwill, this word goodwill, also for charity. Yeah, goodwill. A goodwill business. It's an organisation that collects clothes and other unwanted things and sells them at low prices to provide jobs or training or other things for people who don't have any work. So very often in the US they use this word goodwill also to talk about charity. So I gave all my old stuff to Goodwill. You could use it like that as well. Okay, so good faith, in good faith, with good intentions. Yeah. They made a mistake, but they did it in good faith. They had the intention to do the right thing. And then goodwill, an attitude of kindness, friendliness, benevolence. Yeah. Willingness to help. Yeah, there was a cultural exchange between the two countries to try and raise goodwill between the two countries. And then goodwill, the positive reputation of a business, that it's liable to continue, and this is part of the value of the company. So, formality, good faith, in good faith. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, although I think you could use it anywhere. And goodwill, probably the same if we're talking about this good, kindly feeling. I think in a business context, I think I would give it 6.5, maybe 7. I wouldn't use the business term goodwill informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. And then, well, both, let's see, good faith, this is talking about faith, and the will is what you want to happen. So that's the origin. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Goodwill and good faith.